Ready to unleash your data insights and share your Tableau masterpiece with the world. First things first, let's prepare your dashboard. Double-check your data for accuracy and consistency. Review the layout for clarity and user-friendliness, and ensure a smooth viewing experience. Next, click Server at the top, then select Publish Workbook, and give your dashboard a descriptive name. This will help users easily find it. Now, choose the project on Tableau Server or online where you want to publish. Think of it as selecting the right stage for your data story. Set permissions carefully. Deciding who can view, interact with, or even edit your dashboard. You have the power to control who sees what. Choose how you want to handle your data sources. You can embed them in the workbook for simplicity, or publish them separately for broader use and better management. If you're using extracts, schedule them to refresh regularly, keeping your dashboard data up to date and relevant. Preview your dashboard on different devices to ensure it looks great on everything from desktops to smartphones. Share the link and encourage interaction. Tableau makes it easy for your audience to explore, comment, and collaborate on your data-driven stories.